20 ways to leave a lasting impression. Be unforgettable. 1. Confidence. Speak about your achievements and experiences with confidence, like sharing a successful project you completed at work. 2. Good communication. Engage in active listening during a conversation, asking follow-up questions to show genuine interest. Before we move on to the third and most important point, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel so you can get regular updates. 3. Positive attitude. Maintain a positive outlook even in challenging situations, encouraging others to find solutions rather than dwelling on problems. 4. Respectful behavior. Show respect by giving your full attention when someone is speaking, avoiding interrupting or talking over them. 5. Genuine interest. Ask about someone's hobbies or interests and listen attentively, showing curiosity about what excites them. 6. Honesty. Admitting a mistake and taking responsibility for it, even if it means acknowledging your shortcomings. 7. Punctuality. Arrive on time for meetings and events, valuing others' time and commitments. 8. Smile. Greet people with a warm smile, making them feel welcome and comfortable in your presence. 9. Dress appropriately. Dress professionally for a business meeting or event, demonstrating that you respect the occasion. 10. Appreciation. Express gratitude to a colleague who helped you meet a deadline or supported you during a difficult time. 11. Sense of humor. Crack a light-hearted joke during a casual conversation to lighten the mood and create a relaxed atmosphere. 12. Confidence in listening. When someone shares a personal story, listen empathetically without judgment, providing a safe space for them to open up. 13. Adaptability. Be open to trying new activities or experiences, like joining friends in a group outing you're not familiar with. 14. Problem-solving skills. Offer to help a friend brainstorm ideas to overcome a challenge they are facing. 15. Positivity. Encourage a colleague who's feeling discouraged by highlighting their strengths and past successes. 16. Share knowledge. Share an interesting article or book recommendation with a friend or coworker who has an interest in the topic. 17. Personal development. Discuss a workshop or online course you recently took to improve a specific skill or area of knowledge. 18. Empathy. Offer comforting words to a friend experiencing a difficult time, showing understanding and compassion. 19. Supportive nature. Congratulate a family member on their accomplishments, such as getting a promotion or achieving a personal goal. 20. Remembering details. Recall a friend's favorite restaurant and suggest going there for a celebration, showing you pay attention to their preferences. Remember, authenticity is key to making a lasting impression. Be genuine in your actions and interactions, and people will appreciate your sincerity. Thanks for watching the video till the end. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe this channel.